Welcome to another unboxing from the Perth Mint. Today's coin pays tribute to Frida Kahlo, the extraordinary Mexican artist whose tragic life and artistic legacy resonates with people from all walks of life. Packaged in a brightly coloured, recyclable display case and presented in a beautifully illustrated shipper, the Frida Kahlo 2024 2-ounce silver antique coloured coin celebrates Frida's rise to fame through creating beautiful paintings renowned for their use of vivid colours, attention to Mexican and indigenous culture, and depictions of the female experience and form. Accompanied by a numbered certificate of authenticity, this 99.99% pure silver coin portrays a coloured portrait created by the Frida Kahlo Corporation, the organisation dedicated to educating, sharing and preserving her legacy and image. With a unique antiqued finish and coloured highlights, the bold, expressive and beautiful design captures the essence of Frida's vibrant soul and spirit. Also included in the design is the inscription Frida Kahlo and the Perth Mint's P mint mark. The coin's obverse portrays the Jody Clark effigy of His Majesty King Charles III and 2024, marking 70 years since Frida's passing in 1954. Fans and followers of the much-loved artist should act quickly to secure this exclusive coin memento. With a mintage of just 3,000 coins, we recommend ordering as soon as possible, either from the Perth Mint shop or online at perthmint.com.